Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix microphone not working on your POCO M8. So first, what we want to do is clean our microphone part with a non-metallic tool. So if we use something metallic, then we can only damage it even more, and we definitely do not want that. So make sure to use something non-metallic, like a soft brush for an example. It's totally up to you what you choose, but just something that has no metal in it. Now next, what we want to do is we want to test our mic. So, how are we going to do that first? We're going to go over to System Apps and go to Recorder. And here in the recorder, we need to give permissions while using the app and allow to send in notifications. As you guys can see, now I am talking and those waves are moving. Now let me stop talking for a second. And as you guys can see, those lines are straight, so that means they're not catching any sound. Now they are. And of course, we can check it. Let me quickly lower my media volume. To send in notifications. So it is working. Now, if your mic is still not working, what you guys want to do is restart your phone to refresh the system. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now swipe down to reboot, and the phone is now rebooting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is update your software. So let's quickly enter the PIN after the restart. Let's go over to the settings and tap on About Phone. Here, what we want to do is we want to click the HyperOS, and it will automatically check for the software updates. So I have no updates available. I am on the latest version. But if you do have an update available, then you'll see it where the Xiaomi community button is, and it will say download and install. So here you can download the newest version. Now, what you guys can do as a last resort is factory reset your phone. So scroll down in About Phone to Factory Reset, tap Erase All Data. Here you need to confirm it with your password if you have one, and then you will click Backup to back up every item first, because you will lose your contacts, photos, videos, and even apps. So go over and click Backup, then you will back it up and click Factory Reset, and you will see this notification that Factory Reset will erase everything. You want to click Next, and then you'll have to wait 10 seconds and click on OK. So after that, everything should be good. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.